still remember the moment I first saw you, Sophia. I reached out my hand and you smiled like a quiet hate. Didn't know that shake would start a story. Two hearts beating softly in the same place. Then Abigail whispered something later, saying you told her you had a crush on me. I laughed a little, tried to play it cooler, but my heart was dancing wild silently. We found our common pages, same stories we'd read. We said we had the same vibe running in our heads. Cashier and beggar in the same aisle of fate. Didn't know love could find us in a supermarket's gate. Now we're writing secrets in Morse code hearts. You gave me paper saying I love you in the dark. Two quiet souls hiding what they feel inside. 'Cause we don't want to lose the place where our worlds collide. Sophia, my love, this journey's ours to hold. From a handshake spark to a love in dots and codes. Times turn into quiet little moments. Your laugh became my favorite sound of the day. We kept it gentle, kept it subtle, but every shift you made, my worries fade away. You said we're mutual and I felt the sunrise, a simple truth wrapped in a soft me too. Even if we're hiding so we won't get kicked out, there's a freedom in loving you. Maybe one day we won't need to whisper, no shadows, no fear, no staying in line. But for now we treasure every stolen second, 'cause this secret love is still ours to shine. Now we're writing secrets in Morse code hearts. You gave me paper saying I love you in the dark. You quiet souls hiding what they feel inside. 'Cause we don't want to lose the place where our worlds collide. Sophia, my love, this journey's ours to hold. From a handshake spark to love in dots and codes. Sophia, my Sophia, in every aisle and every shift, it's still you. Our hidden love, our quiet truth. A journey written softly, but forever true.